Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Galaxy AI enhancements on One UI 8. So One UI 8 supercharges Samsung Galaxy's AI with tools like live call captions, smarter now brief, AI-powered portrait generations. Call caption gives you real-time subtitles during phone calls. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So to turn on the call caption, go ahead and tap on the phone icon here, then tap on the three dots, and then tap on settings. Now next, find call captions, which is right here. Tap on this, and you want to go ahead and turn this feature on. So this will show what each person says on a screen during a call. Caption can be useful when hearing is difficult. So if needed, you need to inform the other person that call is being captioned. So here you can go ahead and choose all the languages which are available. I'll go ahead and choose English, and let me demonstrate this for you. So when you're on a call like this, you have this call caption button here, just here at the top right. You can go ahead and tap on this, and this will now turn on call captions. So now whatever I say, it'll basically give me captions on that. Hello. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. So as you can see, this basically gives you a real-time subtitles during a phone call. Now the next feature which I want to talk about is your Now Brief. The Now Brief will basically give you personalized summaries and updates. And with the AI portrait feature, you can enhance your photo automatically. So this isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it changes how you communicate, create. You can understand conversation more easily, especially across languages or in noisy places. Your photo looks professional without any editing skills. And Now Brief helps you stay on top of your day without constant checking. So there you guys, those were the Galaxy AI enhancements features on One UI 8.0. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.